So it's a pleasure to be again with some of the great people that we have involved in the Merlin project. Today we have Mario and Teona from Sorex Sensors based in Cambridge. So they've come with us here to Site Summit in Madrid. And just first of all, can you just give us in one line what it is that Sorex Sensors offers?
Sure. So we're a spin-out company from the University of Cambridge, also in collaboration with the University of Warwick and the Universidad Politécnica de Madrid.
Okay.
So what we are doing, we are developing tiny electronic sensors that are capable of measuring very small gas molecules, very small particles that are hazardous for your health and that are nasty and shouldn't be in different environments, for example, in your home.
Amazing. So obviously it's based on a lot of technology that comes out of the lab.
Sure.
Where did the idea of spinning off come from? How did that begin?
So both Teona and I, we did our PhDs in this technology, working in the group of Madrid and in strong collaboration with the University of Cambridge. And actually the initial IP, the intellectual property that helped us spin out this company was coming from the University of Cambridge. So it was a long period of research that then basically went into an interesting commercial opportunity, and we were helped by Cambridge Enterprise, the commercialization arm of the University of Cambridge, to make this reality as a company.
Teona, for you, in the initial stages of setting up the company and being supported by different activities, what were the main challenges that you found?
Well, actually, from the commercial point of view, it's a completely different story. Being in a lab and then trying to put what you have been doing during your research stage, putting it in the market. So for us, it's very, very important the help and support we have, because as scientists, it's not exactly the same attending to a scientific conference than to a company
with all the wiring.
Yeah, exactly. It's a completely different story. So for us, attending actually South Summit here is a new step towards the commercialization.
What advice would you have for other scientists or researchers who feel like they have something that could have commercial potential but aren't sure where to start? What advice would you give them?
Well, I would say you have to talk to people. Try to find some experienced people that have been doing this before you. Talk to them, and also don't forget about the path to industrialization. One thing is being able to do something in the lab, running a couple of experiments that are successful. But when you're thinking about bringing this to production, scale up what you are doing, you have to take into account many other different things. And it's always good to try to find experienced people that could help you along the way, basically.
I think that is, out of everything that we've done in Merlin, is talk. Because if you don't speak to people, you don't know. And also what we've seen is often people get very surprised by just speaking to one person. They find out so much and everything changes. It's really, really important. So great advice.
Yes.
One last thing that we're probably going to cut, so I'm just going to keep on going.
Sure.
The project. So the collaborative project, where did that come from? Between the Politécnica de Madrid and Cambridge? Where did that come from?
Well, our PI, Principal Investigator in Madrid, met members from the group in Cambridge a long time ago in a scientific conference. And then scientific collaboration started. And actually, that scientific collaboration went a little bit forward also because of different European projects they were involved together. And that also allows Teona and I to do a couple of research stays in Cambridge to basically make those ties with the universities of Cambridge a little bit stronger. So, I mean, somehow we can say that also European funding really helped us foster that relationship between the two universities.
Excellent. Well, thanks very much, and I wish you success.
Thank you very much.